Marshall. We got a westbound train coming. Check it out. $15T with the Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia Heritage Unit. Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia Heritage Unit, all right. Second engine trailing. I just heard a horn because the scanner went off, so. That's probably what I heard on there. Symbol on this train is Norfolk Southern 15T. Norfolk Southern 15T heading west. So I waited for about hours. So after this Norfolk Southern high rail truck went by, I just took a video of it. We got Norfolk Southern 15T that's leading with the Tennessee, Alabama, and Georgia Heritage Unit on it. That's a pretty cool unit to catch. Ooh, sorry about that. So there he goes around the bend. So he'll round up the bend in a minute. So looks like it might have been a short train or something. So who knows? All right, that's going to be it right now. So, all on this Tuesday,
Norfolk Southern, milepost 79.0, no defects.
I don't know what you think of this 15T coming through this area. That's got the Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia Heritage Unit, whatever you want to call it.
You're off in 39934 for
15T heading
227.
west. So. All right.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 7.